Welcome to Journey to Understanding of LLMs. This is Lab 1, where we look at tokenization. Tokenization is the process of converting raw human-readable text into tokens, small units, words or subwords, or characters, or even punctuation that can be mapped into integers and fed into a model's embedding layer. So this tokenization happens at this location itself in our transformer architecture. It's essential because machine learning models don't operate on strings, only on numbers. Choosing how to tokenize text determines the vocabulary size, that is, the number of unique tokens that the model must support. For example, well-known model GPT-2 uses a byte level or BPE, Byte-Pair Encoding tokenizer, with a vocabulary size of 50257 tokens. That is 50,257 tokens. To build such a tokenizer, BPE starts with a base vocabulary of all unique characters in the training text. Then it repeatedly finds the most frequent pair of adjacent tokens, initially adjacent characters, and then merges them into a new token. Over many such merges until reaching a target vocabulary size. The vocabulary becomes a mix of single characters, frequent subword units, and sometimes full common words, giving a balance between flexibility, handling unknown rare words, and efficiency, keeping token sequences reasonably short. So here is the website, ticktokenizer.versal.app. I've selected CL100K underscore base model. There are different models of tokenizing, and here I have entered the text. So if we type T, it is just one token. TH is also one token. THE is also one token. If I add a space, it becomes two tokens. And if I add an alphabet and a space, it becomes three tokens. You see this? And if I enter a sentence like this, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, this is 11 tokens. See here, THE, space and quick is another token. And each of these tokens have a corresponding unique integer number. So we will see how using Python, we can get this output. The link to the code is given in the description. So here is the Python script. We are using tick token Python library, and the same sentence is put here. So let's run it. This run.sh creates a Python environment and starts our script. See, original text, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, and the subwords, it is split the, then space and quick is the second token, space and brown. See, this is the third token, and number of tokens 11, and we get the same output 7914062. Okay, because we have used the same CL100K underscore base model. And from these tokens, we are able to get back our original sentence. So this, remember, tokenizer is reversible. You get back the original tokens. And finally, we are also printing the byte chunks. It is like our subwords. Clear? Utility of tokenization, I hope, is clear. And what does it do is clear. So just to summarize, tokenization is the process of converting raw human-readable text into tokens, that is, small units, words, subwords, characters, or punctuation that can be mapped to integers fed into a model's embedding layer. So next thing in Lab 2, we will see what we are going to do in our embedding layer. Thank you for your time. See you in Lab 2. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Apply these tips and level up today. Smash like if it helped. Subscribe to Techie Talks AI for deep dive, and drop your biggest challenge in comments. Ready for personalized one-to-one Zoom sessions? I mentor just few students on cloud, coding, DevOps, no-code solution, AI agents, or electronics, tailored to your goals. Limited slots. Book via the link in the description before it's gone. See you in the next video.